Hi everyone, welcome back to the Shop channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we're going to explore the return for exchange feature. This functionality allows businesses to manage product returns and exchanges seamlessly. The process is simple and straightforward. The customer requests a return and exchange, the company reviews and authorizes the return, the product is returned, inspected, and if eligible, exchanged. A replacement product is shipped to the customer. Now let's take a look how to manage this process inside of Odoo 18. To get started, we'll first create a sample sales order. For this, let's go to the sales module and set up an order for a customer, let's say Deco Addict, who is purchasing 2 cable management boxes and 1 laptop. Now let's confirm the order. Next, to follow the correct process sequence, we'll create a regular invoice for this order, confirm it, and register the customer's payment. Once that's done, it's time to deliver the products. To do this, you'll go back to the sales order and click on the Delivery Smart button. If you open the laptop product form, we can see that it's tracked by a unique serial number. This is important because during an exchange, we need to identify the returned product for inspection and approval. Clicking on hand quantity will show the available stock along with their lot or serial numbers. Now let's go back to the Delivery tab. Here you can see that the serial number is automatically assigned, but we can change it if needed. Once everything looks good, click the Validate button to complete the delivery process. Now let's say the customer contacts us because their laptop arrived damaged and won't turn on. They would like a replacement. Within the Delivery tab, there is a Return button you can click to initiate the return process. This will open a pop-up window where we can specify the products and their quantities for return. Since the customer only needs to return their laptop, we can remove the other items and enter the return quantity. Below you'll see 3 options: return, return all, and return for exchange. If the customer wants a refund, click the return button. However, if they want to exchange the damaged product for a new one, select return for exchange. In this case, we'll go with the last option. This section will generate 2 deliveries, one for returning the product from the customer, which you can see here, and another for delivering the replacement product. Now let's go back to the sales order and click on the Delivery Smart button to view all related deliveries. Here you can see 3 deliveries, one for the original shipment, one for the returned product, and another for delivering the replacement. First, let's process the return. We're going to receive the returned product with serial number 101, which was shipped earlier. Once received, let's move on to the next delivery. Now we will ship the replacement product with another serial number. Let's validate this delivery, and once the customer receives the item, the return for exchange process is complete. And that's it. That's how easily you can manage the return for exchange feature in Odoo 18. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.